Expand your frontier with SilverWolf's Discovery 4x4 electric motor kit that turns your golf car into a fully capable, all-terrain vehicle. The Discovery motor kit includes the components required for installation and takes just a few hours to install. With all the Discovery components and required tools ready, you first prepare your golf car for installation by disconnecting the battery, removing the front wheels, as well as certain body panels. During the installation, each electric motor is attached to the vehicle's drive system using the provided adapter brackets. The electric motor's wiring harness is then connected electrically to the supplied motor controllers. The main wiring harness then connects the two motor controllers to the supplied GCM unit located in the battery compartment. The vehicle module harness splits the vehicle's OEM signal by connecting to the vehicle's original wiring harness, the vehicle's original rear controller, and now also to the SilverWolf GCM. Power cables are then connected from the solenoid and battery to the motor controllers. Finally, the operator control switch is installed and connected to the main wiring harness. Once all of the components are installed, it's time to configure the SilverWolf app and test the installation. With a successful test complete, you simply put the golf car wheels and body panels back together, and you are ready to ride. SilverWolf provides a complete step-by-step installation video, as well as an installation manual. The installation manual should be reviewed before beginning your installation. If you have any questions about installing the Discovery 4x4 electric motor kit, or you would like more information about a dealer installation, please contact your local dealership or the SilverWolf team.